Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest stylish look ideas. Wear your capsule over a dress, blouses, or t-shirt to add a layer of warmth and style to your outfit. Experiment with different ways or to drip and style the shawl to create different looks. Complete your ensemble with accessories like jewelry, belts, or hats that complement your capsule and overall different authentic and stylish look. Wear your project capsule with confidence and enjoy the compliments on your style and handmade accessories. Projecting a capsule is a rewarding and enjoyable project that allows you to express your creativity and individual style. Have fun, experiment with different patterns, yarns, colors to create a fashionable accessories that you will love to wear. And styles, designs, looks, pattern, and styles. So you can measure the width across the back from shoulder to shoulder and length and the length from the shoulders to where you want the shawl to end, typically the waist or hip. So I hope you like it.